In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the issue inside of GeForce where you get the error message unable to retrieve settings. So the very first thing we're going to do is just try running the application as an admin, as sometimes this can quickly solve the issue, otherwise we'll move on to some more advanced solutions. So we just need to head over to our start menu, search for GeForce, and then right click on the GeForce Experience and make sure to select Run as Administrator. Now if that fixes your issue, then fantastic. If not, then what you need to do is head out of this application and we're going to head over to our start menu and search for Run and then tap on the Run icon. Inside of here, we need to type in Temp and hit enter. And then we're going to delete all of the contents inside of this folder by pressing Ctrl A on our keyboard to select everything. And then we're just going to right click and press the trash icon and you can press continue. Now there might be a couple files left in here that we're not able to delete, which is absolutely fine. You just need to head out of this window. And once again, we're going to come back over to the start menu, search for Run, and then tap on the Run icon. This time we're going to type in %temp %, and once again hit enter. And then we're going to press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select everything, right click and select the trash icon, and then just press continue. And once you've deleted all of the files inside of here, once again there might be a few things left in here, that's absolutely fine. We can close out of this window, and you'll next need to come over to the start menu, search for services, and then tap on the services icon. Inside of this list of processes, we need to come all the way down until you find the NVIDIA processes, and there's two processes in particular that we need to amend in here. So that's this NVIDIA display container one and also this NVIDIA local system container. So we're going to go ahead and first click on this NVIDIA display container, and you need to stop this service from running just by pressing this stop button here. And that's going to go ahead and stop the process, and we can select OK. And we're going to do exactly the same for this NVIDIA local system container just by double clicking on it and pressing the stop button here. And then once again, we can just press OK. And we then need to close out of this window. And the next thing you're going to do is come back over to the start menu, search for Run, and then tap on the Run icon. Inside of here, type in app data and then hit enter. Come inside of this local folder, scroll all the way down until you find a folder called NVIDIA. Come inside of here, inside of NV backend, and you'll see a folder called Application Ontology at the top here. And all we simply need to do is rename this folder to something else. So you can just add a digit at the end, but make sure to rename this folder here. And I'm going to press the enter key to confirm. So once you've renamed this folder, what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and you'll need to come over to this link here. Now I've left this in the video description, so you guys can just come and copy and paste this link. And once you come to this web page, you'll need to hit this download button here, and we can press download anyway to confirm. Then you just need to go ahead and locate this file within your downloads folder, and we're going to right click on this zip file and select extract all. Then select where you want these files to be extracted to. I'm just going to select my desktop for easy access, then go ahead and press select folder and click on extract. So once we've extracted these files to our desktop here, we need to come back over to the folder that we were previously working in inside of this NV backend folder. And we're just going to half minimize this folder here and drag this to here. And then you need to drag this application ontology folder inside of the NV backend folder. So just give this a few seconds to complete. And now your NV backend folder should look something similar to this. So you should have the new application ontology folder here. And we have our old application ontology, the one that we renamed beneath it. And then we can close out of these windows and we're going to head back over to the start menu and search for services and then tap on the services icon. Now we need to restart the processes that we just closed down. So we're going to come all the way back down to NVIDIA. And once again, we're going to double click on this NVIDIA display container. And this time we're just going to press the start button here, click on OK. And then we're going to do the same for NVIDIA local system container, click on start and then select OK. And then now we can launch up the GeForce application, and that should have fixed any issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video useful, then please drop a comment and like below. Until next time.